to get your ice cream. They're for sale for $5. How much? They're only $5. We have all kinds. We have green, we have blue, we have pink, and we have purple.
Hi, Armand, I got toys, lots of toys. Which one do you want? This is Mr. Potato Head. I got PJ Masks, I got Toy Story 4, and I got all kinds of them, even Paw Patrol. And I got some ice cream too, so you can buy it from me.
How much is it?
It depends. The PJ Mask is $10, Toy Story is $15, and the Potato Head's $5. And this one is $7.
And how much are these two and that?
These are $3, and the Woody is $6.
And how much is the ice cream?
$2.
I don't want vanilla. I want blue ice cream. I'm not going to buy from you. I'm going to buy from Rahana's blue ice cream.
Aw, I'm so upset. I have no customers. Can you at least buy something from me?
I don't have enough money to buy anything for you. Rahana, can I have a blue ice cream, please? Sure. How many scoops? I want 4. What cup do you want? Do you want the blue one or the pink one? I want 1 green and 1 blue and 2 more blues. Okay, so what cup do you want? This one or this one? I want blue. Okay, so you want 2 blues? And first 1 blue and then 2, and then 1 green and then 2 blues on top. Okay. Now 1 green there, and then another blue on top. 1 green, please. Okay. These, and then the blue on top. 2 blues on top of that green. There you go. And then 1 more blue. Here you go, Armand. Do you want any syrup? There's strawberry and there's chocolate. I want strawberry, and I want pink sprinkles. Okay. What kind of spoon do you want? You want pink or blue? Pink. Okay. Here you go. That'll be $5, please. Thank you. I'll give you change back. Here you go. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Toys. Anyone want toys? Just for $5. Here, toys. Hi. Can I have a toy, please? It is just $5. How much is this? $5. All of them are $5. I don't have money. Maybe you can clean up my store and help me so I can give you a toy for free. Okay. And the toy ice cream. I'll clean it up. You can go for a break. I will help you too. I'll just go and get this ice cream to my mom because she really wants some ice cream. Okay. You take care of my store. Okay. I'm back. Oh, I'm almost finished. I'll help you. Ice cream. I'm all done. Okay, you can get whatever toy you want for free. Let's get this one. Okay. Thank you for giving me this toy. I will play with it a lot. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Bye. Ice cream, I have all colors and flavors. Ice cream, all colors and flavors.
Hey, Armand, can I get an ice cream?
Yes, what kind?
I want a sundae.
Okay.
So the colors I want is I want blue and purple. And I want 3 scoops.
Okay, so 2 of blue and 1 of purple?
Yeah.
Okay. And you want any sprinkles?
Yeah, I'll take some sprinkles. Okay, thank you. How much will it be?
That will be 10 bucks.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And here's your change.
Thank you.
Hi, Armand.
Hi.
Can I have some ice cream, please?
What flavor?
Can I have this chocolate cherry on top?
Okay, that would be 20 bucks.
Here you go.
Here's your change.
Thank you.